Welcome to Zero to Awesome's next project, the Terra.
No, that's the wrong one.
Oh, this is the Terra. Isn't she a beaut? Would you like to tell the world the history of the Terra?
Long ago, in 2002, a Nissan Xterra was manufactured. Little did it know that one day it would meet Sarah, aka its match. Over the years, Sarah terrorized the Nissan Xterra by hitting things here, back there. Something happened here. There's this. Something back here.
You know, we've thought of a lot of different things we can do with the Terra besides getting it legal and safe and roadworthy. But I feel like before we figure out what we're going to do, we really have to get to know Terra for who she is.
Because you always want to get to know that woman before you take her fender off.
I think the time has come to get to the core of the Terra and find out the life she's lived.
Let's see exactly what we're in for. So to start with, we know we have an oil leak of some sort.
Also, the windshield washer reservoir no longer holds fluid.
You know, it does have a windshield washer fluid light. Do you think that could be why?
No, it would only come on if fluid is low. Fluid's not low, it's full of things.
Oh, there's stuff in there. There's also the little problem of this. The reason the Terra stopped being terrorized by Sarah was it ran into a ditch, and the ditch wasn't so kind to it. The ditch did a little stuff.
Oh wait, who am I?
Popeye?
I'm the Terra.
We have a little headlight, bumper, fender stuff to figure out. Oh no, the hood release actually works.
Oh. Safety stick is still in here?
Goes up here.
Safety stick goes up there.
Safety stick is safe. I did check the other day, there is oil, but barely any.
Would you say that this giant spider is OEM from Japan, or was that added stateside?
That might be a true Japanese spider, I don't know. But it runs 38,000 miles, something like that.
138?
I think it's in the high 130s. And these things are supposed to have their timing belts changed at like 100-ish. I don't know if that's ever been done. All right, let's see what else we got.
There are a couple of minor dents.
You just put a little bit of wax on that. You won't even notice it. I mean, it's. Oh yeah, that's fine.
Some wax and maybe a hammer.
Yeah. No, but we are thinking new bumper. Yeah, we can fashion a bumper of some sort that will take care of that. We know it came from Longhorn Auto Sales Incorporated a Longhorn time ago because it's all cracked.
And then no, it parked in space number 3570 in H lot.
Yeah, potentially when it went to college. This is a well-educated Xterra.
I think this Xterra drank a little too much in college.
Is it sloshing around?
She's a little sloshy.
Yeah, we got a little slosh in this taillight right here. It was cracked. Someone taped it. It became untaped and it became full of water. And then we have this interesting panel here.
This is what some would consider the most artistic paint panel on the vehicle.
Yes, so artistic that I would say it's been painted before, because look at granted, this has been in a field for years, but the finish on every other single body panel is not faded, and then it's faded here and all up in here. I think there was some damage at some point and it got repainted. Oh, there it goes. Just put it back.
Some glue.
Super glue. Super glue on aisle 3. We're gonna need a fender because there was the clown incident. You got this foggy headlight here from that one day she drove through fog. So that's all we can see from the outside. I think now it's time to dig deeper and find out what's really going on in the bowels and depths of this car.
I don't know if I feel comfortable going in the bowels of this car.
Well, can't do this without protection.
Was it really necessary for me to be naked under here? Do you feel protected enough to go in?
Oh, no.
Okay, well, there's only one thing to do. Start from the rear.
Start off, we have the front of the car, because it's good to keep the front of your car in the back to preserve it. That way when you hit the bugs, they don't stick to the front of your car.
One thing I've been very interested in since the beginning is it maintains its regular original equipment first aid kit.
Oh,
wow.
Wow. Did anyone even know that was a feature of the Xterra? You say, quick, I need a first aid kit, and the Xterra's like, no, I'm holding on to it. We have what appears to be a water bottle stopper.
We have a pencil, Office Depot, number 2, eraser, fully used, unsharpened.
This looks like a sports band thingamajig for maybe your phone, or this era, your iPod.
Could be for your iPod.
Why am I wearing everything?
We're gonna see how many things we can find in the Xterra that Steven can wear.
There is a miniature coat hanger. Because when your duck needs clothes, you need to hang them up. Do ducks wear clothes?
I hope we don't find a miniature graveyard in here.
Oh god.
We must go deeper.
We must go deeper into this Terra.
What adventures await us in here?
Going in from the rear.
You
Water
should put
babies.
this on.
Hold on. It's really liquidy. Is sunscreen supposed to sound like water?
Smells like sunscreen.
Oh, thank you.
Take your skin health seriously.
Yes, we know that Sarah obviously did because she was a water baby.
Oh, it's a cup holder with a broken off cup thing.
At one point, Sarah had passengers that were very vicious with their cups. Dome light. It looks like it's for the front of the car.
We'll put that up where it belongs.
Yep. A regular person-sized coat hanger.
I would say this is even a large person-sized coat hanger.
So we have both very small and very large people that have been in this car at some point.
You know what that tells me? Exterior people do things to the extreme.
You're either small or you're large, and you are nowhere in between. There's a piece of what also looks to be the front of the car, because you know what you do? You take the front of your car and you disperse it throughout the rest of your car. That way the weight is evenly distributed.
There's a tie iron that is bent, more bent, and with a screwdriver end.
That matches the exterior's tires, which are bald, losing air, and have no hubcaps.
And I think one has a screwdriver in it.
There is a light bulb plug of some sort. Goes to something.
Yeah.
Oh.
Timeless Joy by Cynthia Haight.
Is it in there? Oh, wow.
Ooh. Thankfully, this is the vintage vehicle with a CD player, so we'll be able to play this for you later.
What is that cigarette lighter looking thing?
It's attached to the steering wheel. We'll explore this more when we get up there.
It just has a power icon. They're lights.
LED lights?
They're LED lights.
No.
These are, what, 2002 LED lights?
Does this sweet beast have undercarriage lights?
If these work, we're still going to keep these.
Is this thing rolling dirty?
This is such a dirty Xterra.
There's only one thing left to do.
Journey to the front of the beast.
We must go deeper.
We must go deeper.
I still don't think I was supposed to wear this naked. It's very itchy.
Oh, look. Your passenger gets in the car, and they're greeted by a seat full of parts.
If you want to be a passenger in this car, you got to assemble it yourself.
This looks like a fender thingamajig.
A lot of bumper fender parts in here.
Ooh, someone has been to the university bookstore. Oh, it's a Frisbee.
Didn't come back.
This was the dome light that we previously relocated to closer to its home.
I feel like it would probably just be reinstalled. No.
Oh, look at it. It just installs itself.
It's gonna need some work.
This is a piece of something. This is the other wink wink up there. It oh, you know what? Maybe that goes to the headlight. It suffered some damage. We might need a new headlight. And there's also, this one drove through some fog too.
Fog got inside the car.
Wow. Are these used or unused napkins?
Fresh. We should keep them in the glove box.
Is that one?
Oh my god.
We'll just edit that out.
We haven't opened that before, have we?
Nope.
More evidence that a girl drove this car. If you're within 100 feet of any female, you will find these littered about. We're gonna have to listen to all of these. Hey Corey, I don't know who you are, but we got your mix. Girls and My Car music.
Great Christina music. Isn't it all?
Wait, are we talking... Oh, Christian.
Christian.
Great Christian music.
Isn't it all?
Well, there's probably a Christian Christina somewhere. I traced the mystery wire from the back seat, and I'm even more confused. Because it just goes to another IR remote.
Those are so LEDs. You know why? I bet the lighting on the dash doesn't work. That's how you can see the speedometer.
Oh. Ow. Steering wheel.
Yeah, it's a little cooked. It doesn't really connect to itself.
You know what we could do with a little cutting? We could turn it into a Knight Rider steering wheel.
Knight Rider, or I was thinking like a boat steering wheel with all those things around it.
A fine yachtsman wheel.
I like that. Oh, Captain, my captain.
Oh, Terra, my Sarah.
Do we dare? Well, Sarah obviously wasn't a smoker because she wouldn't be able to smoke.
Sarah has very healthy lungs.
She smoked so much that she wanted it closer to her and pulled it out all the time.
You know, before 2002, Nissan's heated seats were not an option. So you would just sit on it. You'd pull it out.
That makes sense.
Sit on it.
It does kind of look like a rat's nest. It looks like someone has gone through and pulled the carpet padding out. So we have Sarah's
college transcripts.
She got a 2D on her class selection. A hairbrush with original Sarah hairs. She's a blonde, if you were wondering. Do we just burn this, or?
No. We use this hair to do something I saw online called voodoo.
So this is the rat's nest that we're just gonna...
What? I'm confused by that.
We're gonna be burning a lot of this car. Gloves for when you have to... touch your rat's nest. Oh, this is probably the tape that was on the taillight.
Taillight tape.
Taillight tape.
Yeah.
Wow. Would you like to do your mascara?
I thought you were wearing everything that we found in this car.
Well, have no fear. This build will pay for itself because we can go write some checks. And who was Cole Adam Rogers?
Huh. Cole, I would suggest changing your bank account.
More mascara because you're not in a Terra unless you're looking good. Window chalk for when you like someone, but you need to show them by writing on their windows.
Or drawing dicks on their car.
Well, that's the same thing. That's what I meant.
Oh, okay. We have a problem.
What? Oh, God.
There are 2 more compartments, and one of them, there's something that Papa Sarah would not be happy about.
Uh-oh. Oh, my God. Unused pennies. He would definitely not be happy about that.
That would make him so mad. Hey, 100 points if you smoke this cigarette. Oh, I bet this match still works. Strike anywhere.
Use it to light the rest of this cigarette. Strike it anywhere. This is disappointing.
False advertising.
What else we got?
God, more mascara?
More mascara.
Okay. Shall we peek under the bonnet? Wait, that's the hood.
Now we're going to take a stroll through her undercarriage.
We should take this Terra off of terra firma.
Yes.
Like getting it in there. It's really hot in here.
It's really hot.
Really hot. We're going in. Oh, it's pretty clean under here.
Oh, what we got?
Why is the muffler leaking fluid?
It's called condensation and/or fuel.
Taste it. That doesn't smell like condensation. I bet it burns though.
But no, this is surprisingly
clean.
Free on this end. There's
differential's good.
Oh, there's probably no fluid in it, but
oh yeah. Well, just don't put fluid in it. It won't leak. I was expecting to find more, I don't know, creatures.
Got a little bit of grass.
Oh, look.
Probably from the weeds that were growing.
Petrified grasshopper. Oh,
You found our leak?
I found our leaky girl.
What is that? Is that the transmission?
It's the front end of the bell housing. Wow. The underneath of this car is the nicest part of the whole thing. With the exception of the petrified grasshopper, it's not even dirty or rusty under here. Oh, giant hornet's nest.
Oh, good. That's original. That came from the factory.
Okay. Japanese hornets.
Yep.
Like the gas tank skip plate looks like it's never even touched a rock.
We can fix that.
We're gonna have to fix that.
Yeah.
Oh, but this front bumper, too much plastic.
Yeah.
That's gonna need some beef. The only thing left to do now is to give it a Doug score.
Wow, you changed clothes quick, Alan.
Don't mind the fact that we're wearing something different and look different, and I got a haircut. It's still the same day it was a second ago. Nobody stole timeless joy.
No one can steal your
By
joy.
Cynthia Haidt. It's like she's just staring right at me. Staring into my soul with her sweet lyrics and words of support and Mary's little boy child.
So we're wearing different clothes because today's a different day. The other day we forgot to dive into the deepest part of Terra. We gotta do the codes, yo.
The codes, yo.
The codes, yo.
Like the super secret video game up, down, left, right code for more lives? Well, good news is there's enough battery power to read the codes. Also, question.
Yes.
If it was in a field with no battery or electricity for years, how are there still codes and the computer hasn't wiped itself?
Because they're probably still a problem.
Ah.
So we've got our handy dandy Wi-Fi 2
Better than
reader.
1.
Jeep Wrangler. No, this isn't a Jeep Wrangler. Oh god.
Wait, did we know there were sunglasses in here?
Yeah, I just refused to put them on my face.
Ow. That just gave me tetanus.
Still 0.4 volts. Error count 3. Error codes PO328. PO. Are these O's or zeros? P0183. PO463. That's strange. 2 O's and 1 0.
PO0?
No, let's. Details. Knock sensor 1, circuit high. Fuel temperature sensor, circuit high.
I didn't know that was a thing.
There's a fuel temperature sensor? Fuel level sensor, circuit high. Which is strange because the gas gauge works. We're clearing our trouble codes. Well, we cleared the codes. We've been sitting here for at least 3 seconds and they haven't come back. Success. So now
Or future failure.
probably future failure. So now we've got abs. Of course we both have abs. Seatbelt. Someone should put their seatbelt on. Maybe that one will go away. Oh, cleared the seatbelt light. So now we got washer. Didn't we say it looked like there was some fluid in there?
I think, there was debris. I feel like debris.
We need to fix the washer debris light and work on our abs a little bit.
So, we went around Terra, in Terra, and under Terra. And I would say, all in all, pretty good.
You want to tell them what we're going to do?
No.
I'm going to tell them what we're going to do.
We're gonna make it into a little camper. Because you guys seem to like camping stuff, so we're just gonna camper this whole bee out.
But it's going to be an awesome camper. With adventures and cool stuff.
Yeah, we'll put like an air mattress in the back, and then no, we're not gonna do that. We're gonna like,
It's going to
we're
be
gonna do
better
some
than
stuff.
that. Think bigger. Think awesomer.
Till next time. I still have a lot of oil on me. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I don't think you can hear any of this. Probably not.
Hard Rock 2006. Ooh, yeah.
Oh, this is it's a holiday CD. Oh, come, all ye Xterra, abandoned in the field. We will save you and make you awesome, little Xterra.